Hello and welcome to Scala Convenience. Look, I'm looking in a book. You know why? Wait for it. I've blown a fuse. No, I haven't got upset. I've just blown a fuse. Okay, so it's one of those situations where my 12 volt or whatever you want to call these bits where you plug in your lead, okay, is no longer working. So, trusty book not only tells me the location of the fuse box, not only gives me a diagram of the fuse box, but it also tells me which one I need to find for the particular thing. Now, guys, please be careful when you're doing this. Okay, I appreciate that I'm showing people how to do things that are not usually done, but a couple of things to note. Number one, always have the engine switched off when you play with fuses. Okay, if you can, and if it's an important fuse, depending on what it is, disconnect the battery. Okay, otherwise this is a 12 volt input. So it is simple as locating the fuse box, unclipping it like so. Bit difficult, bit fiddly, because manufacturers now try and put as much under the bonnet as possible. Have a look at that. You see a whole load of fuses. Now, fortunately, I've consulted my owner's manual. Now, if you don't have one of these in your car, you can actually access owner's manuals online. However, please make sure that you found the right one for your vehicle, and it is the UK spec versions, because they do change quite dramatically between one market and another. Let me put that back there because I will be needing it in the future. So, fuse number 27, I've looked at it. It's that one there. I don't know if you can see that clearly. Good. So basically what I need to do is remove that fuse, purchase one that is the same as that one. Please, please, please never replace a fuse with a higher numbered fuse or a higher amperage, because all you're doing is making the problem worse. If the fuse does keep blowing, get divorced. No, don't get divorced. If the fuse keeps blowing, please seek professional advice. Only ever replace a fuse with the like fuse, because if you don't, you're only making the problem worse. The fuse is there to save you, to help you. Okay? So, with this, normally they supply you a little plastic tweezer thing, which I can't see in this car, but if you've got a pair of long nose pliers or something like that, you can quite easily access that. You take that out, you replace it with a like fuse, you then go back to your car, check, make sure it works. If it doesn't, please do not do anything else. Take it to a professional. Next time you buy a car, come to Scala Automotive. Don't forget.